slow it down a little bit. Yeah, that other train's going around the corner.
Take a picture of Katie and say, here's my sister having fun.
I'm putting this on YouTube. I know, that's what I'm saying.
Look at that one over there.
Video of the horses running. Horses are running.
Oh my gosh. That's so annoying.
And the truck's the van wrong color. Oh my god.
Is that HO over there? I can't tell. No, it's not. This is what I hate, when nothing's going on. I don't know what to do. No. That's what's sad about this camera. I'll just get that. There we go. Gosh, I'm such a terrible camera. Oh. Oh yeah, that's smart.
Fire?
Yeah, they're putting it on. It's on fire. That's kind of cool. That's kind of funny.
That's a funny looking mountain.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Looks like HO scale on the camera, but it's not.
Hey Dad, I see a cow.
Those are tiny.
What is?
Look, White Castle. Look, there's a tractor, Robbie.
Yep, I have that too. Wait, no, but I don't. Sorry. Ooh, a TV. I feel weird.
Hey Dad, look at the tree.
I'm search.
Look, there's Thomas there. Oh my gosh, it's loud over there.
Look, there's a bridge. Dad, look, there's a bridge.
Okay, I don't know what to do now. Stop it. But this is so awesome. I want to go over there.
Turn it off.